It's it's literally the fact that I'm recording this voiceover as if I haven't been gorging myself on leftovers from Thanksgiving. But that's neither here nor there. That's the past. Let's move on to the future. Right now, I am trying to get a head start on my 2025 body goals in my winter arc, and I wanted to get a treadmill that was gonna, help me start strong. This is the DeerRun Treadmill, and do not get it twisted. Don't let these cute influencers fool you. This thing took me forever to open, okay? I was struggling, sweating on the floor. This is probably the first workout I got on this treadmill. If you really want to know, they don't tell you. Your first 45-minute workout is not going to be walking on your walking pad. It's going to be unboxing this beast. I felt like I was trying to get into an ancient mummy tomb. That's how that is how well packed this is. So don't think that it's just, oh, I'm gonna open it up and set it up. It's so easy. No, get ready to sweat. I got dressed up ready to pull this thing out, and it took me out. Now, once I had my sons open this up and get it out of the box for me, I was back in my, very mindful, very demure. So, as you can see, everything that you need is in this box. The tools, pamphlet. DeerRun doesn't play about PicPad. They're going to make sure that you know about that app. They really are pushing that app. So you're going to get everything about PicPad there. The other thing that you're going to get is a cord. I've seen on their website that they offer like an extension cord that's longer. I don't know. Maybe you need a cord that's 8 miles long. It's fine. You do have a remote control with a spare battery and a little bottle of lubricant, okay? Because they want to make sure that you have that smooth ride and that you can keep your belt in order. Now, this is what it looks like from the top down. Oh, gorgeous. Love her. She's sleek. She's compact. She's beautiful. I mean, I was excited just looking at it, and I'm getting excited just watching me unbox this all over again. You can plug it in right here. You see the little power button. I think that's a restart button. And once you plug it in, it's ready to go. Like I said, it came with the remote, so you plug it in and you can get your walk on. Okay? I like this full screen display. It has the Wi-Fi notifications. It tells you when the Bluetooth is set up, the speed, the time, the distance, calorie, all the things that we've always seen on every fitness device ever made. And again, DeerRun is not playing about PitPack. They want to make sure that you get on that app, that you use the app, that you know how to get on the app from your phone, tablets. They don't play about that app. So that was honestly one of the reasons that I wanted this, because I wanted to be on DeerRun. I wanted to get on there. I love a good gamified experience. So as you can see, this little holder here, I put my tablet right there on that holder, and that's my avatar, watching my avatar struggle as I walk. This is a smooth ride, and I love that this is so small that you can move it around, slide it away whenever you need to. If you want to use it as just a walking pad, you can put the handlebars down. Do not lose that remote, because if you lose that remote, you're gonna have a hard time using it in the walking pad mode. I love how slow it starts. You can speed it up from 1 mile per hour all the way up to 7. I love how quiet and smooth it is. I love it. If you're someone that has a standing desk or just likes the idea of having just a walking pad, nothing serious, you're just going to hop on and hop off, that's perfect for this. I really love this treadmill, and I'm obsessed with how quiet it is. Like, I knew that it was quiet, but I wasn't really prepared for it to be like dead silent. It's like a brush. It's a white noise hush of a sound. I'm gonna go ahead and let you hear that. This thing is quiet. I'm at 2.4 right now. So as you can see, not only am I just floored and impressed with how quiet this treadmill is, but again, it's such a smooth walk. It's like I'm gliding on it, and I love that. I love that I don't feel like I'm gonna get thrown off of it, or like it's gonna abruptly stop, or like I'm gonna trip over my feet. It's such a smooth walk. I'm 5'7". This is my natural stride. It definitely has a nice size. The belt is fine. I really like this treadmill, and I plan to use it quite a bit. If you have a DeerRun, and if you want to be friends on PitPat, which I'm, listen, put your PitPat username and friend code or whatever in. Let's be accountability partners. I'm going to be posting more videos like this, probably some walking vlogs. And if you want to see them, well, let's subscribe, let's like, let's comment, and I don't know, let's make our goals together. Go ahead and subscribe. Bye.